Welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on an enriching journey through the vibrant tapestry of Philippine history, a saga filled with tales of resilience, diversity, and cultural richness. The story of the Philippines is a mosaic of indigenous cultures, colonial conquests, and the struggle for independence. Let's dive into this fascinating narrative, shall we? Our journey begins long before the arrival of foreign powers. The Philippines was home to various indigenous tribes such as the Tagalogs, Visayans, and Igorots, each with their own distinct cultures, languages, and customs. These communities thrived through agriculture, trade, and maritime exploration, fostering vibrant civilizations that left behind legacies still visible today. In 1521, Ferdinand Magellan's expedition marked the first recorded contact between the Philippines and the West. This encounter paved the way for Spanish colonization, which endured for over 3 centuries. Spanish rule left an indelible mark on Philippine society, introducing Catholicism, the Spanish language, and a feudal system that shaped the socio-political landscape for centuries. But the story doesn't end there. Throughout the colonial period, Filipinos fought valiantly for their freedom and identity. Heroes like Lapu-Lapu, Gabriela Silang, and Andres Bonifacio rose to challenge colonial oppression. Their sacrifices culminated in the Philippine Revolution of 1896, igniting a spark of independence that would eventually lead to the birth of the Filipino nation. However, freedom came with new challenges. Following the Spanish-American War, the Philippines fell under American rule, bringing with it a new wave of cultural influences and struggles for self-determination. Yet, even in the face of adversity, the Filipino spirit remained unbroken. Visionaries like Manuel Quezon and Sergio Osmeña laid the groundwork for a future governed by Filipino hands. The dark clouds of war descended upon the Philippines during World War II, as Japanese forces invaded and occupied the islands. The harrowing years of occupation tested the Filipino people's resilience like never before. But amidst the chaos and suffering, acts of heroism and solidarity emerged, showcasing the unwavering courage of the Filipino people. With the end of World War II came a renewed push for independence. In 1946, the Philippines finally gained its long-awaited freedom, ushering in a new era of nation-building and progress. Since then, the Philippines has undergone tremendous growth and transformation, facing new challenges and opportunities on the global stage. From the shores of pre-colonial settlements to the bustling cities of today, the history of the Philippines is a testament to the resilience, diversity, and indomitable spirit of its people. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through Philippine history. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the tapestry of human civilization.